And welcome to your ASX chart of the day for today, Wednesday, the 26th of July, 2023. Today, we are looking at Altium Limited, ticker code ALU in the computer software space. Let's have a look at what's happening with price action today. A really interesting chart here. You can see this 200 moving average has been support on this latest pullback, and we've got a really strong positive move today, which has taken us over a level there at 37.60, which we think is important. You can see this technical reverse head and shoulders here. There's a shoulder, there's a head, there's a shoulder. So this represents a completion of that pattern and suggests a potential upside move, probably up to around $40 in the first instance, but maybe even to retest the highs of February, which is around about 41, 46. Certainly that move up to $4, which is about 5.5%, is very much on the cards in the short term. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye-bye for now.